the ray coming straight out. And you can change the angle by just dragging the source around. This is directly perpendicular, and this is parallel with the surface. Okay. You can change from a ray to a light to a wave, so you can see the wave fronts there. Now you can choose the material here at the top. We can change the material from air to water, glass, to mystery choices, as well as custom setting. And we can change the refractive index on the bottom. So if I change the refractive index to water here, you notice that you see a bit of refraction here. So you see this angle isn't the same as it was when the material on the bottom was air as well. So you have a few tools here. You have a protractor, which we could place here to measure the incoming angles, the reflected angle of the light as it hits this material, or you could also use it to determine the angle of refraction. There's another tool that allows us to measure the intensity of the light. So you could measure the intensity of the refracted beam. You can measure the intensity of the reflected beam, or you can measure the intensity coming directly from the source. So your job is to come up with your own hypothesis and design your own experiment. Alternatively, you could also try to determine what the refractive index is of mystery A and B by setting up an experiment. So we'll be around to answer any questions that you have. Feel free to use a wave or a ray, and I hope you all have fun.